Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Mean deviation, ungrouped data. Mean deviation, ungrouped data. Mean ungrouped data. For mean deviations are two types. So first one ungrouped data, next one grouped data. So ungrouped data only single method. Mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. Okay, we completed. So let us go to the next topic. Mean deviation for grouped data. Okay, mean deviation to type ungrouped data, grouped data. Ungrouped data completed. Next, let us go to the grouped data. The grouped data are divided into two types. First one, discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. Now let us discuss about the discrete frequency distribution. Discrete frequency distribution means what is the data, how to given the data, which type of data is given? Observations and frequencies only. Observations, frequencies. Okay. So in the discrete frequency distribution today, discrete frequency distribution. Okay, discrete frequency first. Mean deviation about mean common. Every method, mean deviation about mean deviation about median common. So first part ungrouped data completed. This is grouped data. Grouped data first one, discrete frequency distribution. So find example 4. Find mean about mean deviation. Find mean deviation about mean deviation about mean for the following data. What is the data? Xi, Fi. Two, 5, 8, 6, 10, 8, 7, 10, 8, 12, 5. Only observations and frequencies. So this is the which type of distribution? Discrete frequency distribution. Okay. So first table. Xi, Fi into Xi. Next Xi minus X bar, Fi into Xi minus X bar. First we have to think what is the formula. Discrete frequency distribution, mean about mean formula. What is the formula? Mean about mean deviation about mean formula. So sigma Fi into Xi minus X bar by n. N means capital N. sigma fi into xi minus x bar by capital N, where N is summation of frequencies. Summation of frequencies. Fi is frequencies, xi means observations, x bar main thing is x bar, first x bar. So what is the x bar formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi into xi, sigma fi into xi by no. Sigma fi into xi by no. So in the first ungrouped data total n means small n, only small n. Count number of observations in only first ungrouped data only small n, because in ungrouped data there is no frequencies, here frequencies are there. So in the grouped data, discrete frequency distribution or continuous frequency distribution, both n means capital N. We have to use capital N. What is the capital N? Summation of fi total. N is equal to sigma fi, summation of all frequencies, sum of all frequencies. So first here xi is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Next fi is equal to 2, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5. Next fi into xi, because of mean. Fi into xi, 2 into 2, 4, 8 into 5, 40, 10 into 6, 60, 7 into 8, 56, 10 into 8, 80, 12 into 5, 60. So sigma fi is equal to what? 8 plus 2, 10, 20, 27, 35, 40. This is called n. So n is equal to 40. Next fi into xi, 60 plus 80, 140, 140 plus 56, 196, 196. Okay, 196 plus 4, 200, 200, 240, 240 plus 60, 300. So what is sigma fi into xi is equal to 300. Next to xi, find out x bar first. X bar is equal to what? Sigma fi into xi is equal to 300. 300 by 40, that is equal to 30 by 4. 30 by 4, this is the 34. 7, 4 sevens, 28, 2.245. So that is equal to 7.5. X bar is 7.5. Next we have to calculate xi minus x bar modulus. There is no negative, only positive. Xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar means this is xi. 2 minus 7.5, 5 minus 7.5, 6 minus 7.5. Xi minus x bar is equal to what? 7.5. 2 minus 7.5 is equal to 5.5. 5 minus 7.5 is equal to 2.5. Modulus, there is no negative, only positive. 6 minus 7.5 is equal to 1.5. 8 minus 7.5 is equal to 0.5. 10 minus 7.5 is equal to 2.5. 12 minus 7.5 is equal to 4.5. 12 minus 7.5 is equal to 4.5, 4.5, 2.5, 2. Okay, summation is not important. So next Fi into xi minus x bar. Fi into xi minus x bar because of the formula, direct formula. So Fi into xi minus x bar, 2 into 5.5 equal to 11. 5.5 plus 5.5 equal 11. So Fi into x, 8 into 2.5. 8 into 2.5 means 16, 40. 8 into 16, 8 5 is 40, 20. This is 20. 8 into 2.5. 8 2 16, 8 5 is 40. So 20. Next 10 into 1.5 is equal to 15. 7 into 0.5 is equal to 3.5. 7 into 0.5 3.5. 8 into 2.5 is already done, 20. So 5 into 4.5 is equal to 5 4s 20, 25 ante that is equal to 22.5. 22.5. So ఈ 22.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 23, 26. 22.5, 23, 26. 26 plus 20, 46. 46 plus 15, 56, 61. 61 plus 20, 81. 81 plus 11, 92. 92. Sigma idu 92. So 92 value is 92. So final ga mean about median, mean deviation about mean formula sigma Fi I is equal to 1 to n, how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6, I is equal to 1 to 6 Fi into xi minus x bar by capital N. So that is equal to, what is the 92, total value 92 by capital N 40. So that is equal to 4 2s 8 4 23. 23 by 10. So that is equal to 2.3. 12 8 92. So mean deviation about mean is equal to 2.3. Once again, I will repeat once again. So first observations and frequencies are given. We have to draw the table xi, Fi into xi because of what is the mean formula? Sigma Fi into sum of the Fi into xi values. So that's why we have to calculate Fi into xi. And mod xi minus x bar because of what is the main formula? Mean deviation about mean formula sigma Fi into xi minus x bar, mod xi minus x bar. So that's why first we have to calculate mod xi minus x bar. Xi is, this is xi, x bar is, you have to calculate before for 7.5. So 2 minus 7.5. 2 minus 7.5 means minus 5.5. So that's why using the modulus. So all positive values is nothing but positive. So using the modulus. Next finally Fi into xi minus x bar. Fi into xi minus x bar is Fi, this is Fi into xi minus x bar. And adding formula direct apply. So mean about mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about mean also same procedure, but what is the difference? This is mean deviation about mean, we have to find out mean deviation about median means first we have to calculate median, same table same, the all formula same, but what is the difference? This is Fi into Xi minus M. What is the difference? Because of this is mean deviation about mean. The another next one is mean deviation about median. Okay, so this is simple. Mean deviation about mean, any method, any distribution, any data, this is simple. But median is, this is some small difficult. So okay, next. So textbook exercise 16 point maybe exercise 15.1 15.1 fifth to sixth mean deviation about mean. Two problems are there, we have to try homework. Okay, procedure, same procedure. Next, find mean deviation about median. Next problem. Mean deviation about median. So data is same data, observations and frequencies. Mean deviation about mean 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. 3, 6, 9, 12, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. Frequencies are 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So this is also same. Xi, Fi, Fi into Xi, Xi minus M, Fi into Xi minus M. Okay. First Xi is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. Frequencies 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. Here not Fi into Xi. In mean deviation about mean, here Fi into Xi. Here cumulative frequency, cumulative frequencies, simply CF. Cumulative frequency, simply CF. CF means what? CF. Next, this is Xi minus MO. Next, Fi into Xi minus MO. First we have to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means first cumulative frequency. So about the frequency. First one, first 3. This is adding. Totally 4, 3, 7, 5, 12, 14, 18, 23, 27. This is capital N is equal to 30. Okay. Cumulative frequency starting number is 3. The ending number is 30. Ending number is 30. How to find out cumulative frequency? So first 3. Next to 3 plus 4. 7. Adding the first 2. Next third one is adding the first 3. 7 plus 5, 12. Adding the first 2. This is adding the first one. Adding the first 2. Second one is cumulative frequency. Second one is adding the first 2 frequencies. Next third one is adding the first 3 frequencies. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. Next fourth one is adding the 4 frequencies. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. So cumulative frequency means first number, first one is first 2. First adding the first term, and the second one is adding the first 2 cumulatives. 3 means adding the first 3 cumulatives. This is for fourth value is adding the first 4 cumulatives, first 4 frequencies. So final starting of number 3, the ending number is the n, total frequency 30. Okay, so here first n by 2, n is equal to what? N is equal to 30. N by 2 is equal to 15. N by 2 is equal to 15. N is equal to 30 means what? Even. Even means 2 observations. Same in the first ungrouped data, how to find out median, the same. N by 2 is equal to 15. N is even. Even means how many medians? 2 medians, 2 observations. Mean of the 2 observations. Okay. So n by 2 is equal to 15. So 15 means 15th observations plus 16th observations. Median is equal to n by 2 is equal to 15. 15th observation plus 16th observation by 2. So n is equal, for example, n is equal to 29. N is equal to 29 means n by 2 is equal to what? 29 means 14.5. 14.5 means this is median is exactly 15th observation. 14.5 means what? Nearly 15. 14.5 means nearly 15. This is n is equal, capital N is odd means only single observations. So nearly 14.5, nearly 15th observation in the cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequency, what is the 15th observation? This is 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, all are this one. 15th one is above 14. This is above 14. 15th one is above 14. Above 14, okay. 15th observation, this one. 18 is the 15 observation, 16th, 17th, 18th, the 4 observation has only 18 because of there is no 15th observation in the cumulative frequency. Okay, you have to observe the cumulative frequency. So n by 2 is equal to 15, 16. Even means 2 observations. 15th observation, 16th observation. So 2 observations means mean of the 2 observations. So 14th. Next in the cumulative frequency, 15 means what? After 15. After 14, 15. 15, 16, there is no 15, there is no 16, 17, 18 is only. So after 14 is the 18 is there. So this is taken 15th observation is the 18 in above this one. Observation nothing but xi. So 15th one ide, 16th one ide, 17th one ide, 18th one kuda ide. So 23 means what? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 also only 23, this one 15. So here, so that is equal to 13 plus 13 by 2, that is equal to 13. What is the median? Median is equal to m is equal to 13. So first capital N calculate, you have to calculate n is equal to even. Even means two observations. Observations are only, this is all observations. This is the frequencies. This is cumulative frequencies. Okay. So n by 2 is the 15. If 15 is in the cumulative frequency, where is the 15? Above 14. So the next one, 14 next. 14 next one is 15. So there is no 15, there is no 16, 17, 18 also there. So this observation, the 18 is the 13 observation is the, so 13 is the observation of 15 is a 13, observation of 16 13, observation of 17 18, the 4 observation is a 13. So 15th observation 13, 16th observation also 13. So median is equal to 3. So xi minus m, xi 3 minus 30, 10, 6 minus 13, 7, 9 minus 13, 4, 12 minus 13, 1, 13 minus 13, 0, 15 minus 13, 2, 21 minus 13, 8, 22 minus 13, 9. Okay, next fi into this one, fi into xi minus m, 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 7, 28, 5 into 4, 20, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 0, 0, 5 into 2, 10, 4 into 8, 32, 3 into 9, 27. Okay, 30, 28, 22, 0, 10, 32, 27. Okay, adding the total values, fi into xi minus m is equal to 149. You have to add 58, 78, 80, 90, 122, 129, 149. Okay, so mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median formula sigma fi into xi minus m by capital N. Sigma fi into xi minus m value 149 by n is equal to 30. So 149, this 149 is not divisible by 3. So 149, this is 3, sorry 30. 33 is 19, 34 is 120. Okay, 34 is 120, 29.0, nearly 9, 270, 20, nearly 4.97. This is equal to 4.97. Mean deviation about mean is 4.97. Okay, this is find out how to find out median is main important one. This is capital N. Capital N is equal to even. Even means two observations. Observations are in the xi. These are observations. So first n by 2 see in cumulative frequency 14. This is n by 2 is 15. So not taken 14. After 14, what is the near value? This 15 is near to 23 or near to 18. 15 value. N by 2 is equal to 15. Okay, 15th observation, 16th observations. Okay, 15 is very near to 18. Okay, 14 in between 14 and 18. So we have to decide 18. 18 in the observation is 13. This is the 15th observation is also 13. 16 also 13. 16, 17, 18 up to 15, 16, 17, 18. the 4 observations value is only 13. So 13 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 13. So here n is equal, for example, odd number. N is equal to odd number means n is equal, for example, 29. N is equal to 29, n by 2 is equal to what? 14.5. So 14.5 is very near to 18. Only single. N in the median procedure, even. Observations are even means 2 observations, average of 2 observations. Okay, the odd means only single observation. What are they? N plus 1 by 2. Very near to 14.5 means 14.5 is, this is after 14, this is 18, this 13 is the single observation, there is no average. So maybe n. Next to exercise 15.1, mean about mean of 7th and 8th problems, mean deviation about median. So Fi here, Fi is equal to 14, 16, 18, 20 to 28. 8 to 8 plus 6, 14, 16, 18, 26. So here 8, 14, 21, 29. So tomorrow you have homework exercise 15.1, exercise 15.1, 7th problem and 8th problem. 7th problem is capital N is even, 8th problem is capital N is odd. So is clear? If this model all are clear, then okay. So not clear means tomorrow next class I will explain mean deviation about median. This is even, capital N is equal to even. So next one, mean deviation about median, capital N is odd. Odd means how to find out median. Tomorrow I will explain and continue the class. Okay. So this is main important. Thank you.